Good morning, friends. This series of English listening is especially for students in Standard 8th. As I observed, the students in Standard 8th, they lack in proper comprehensive listening skill. Ultimately, they face more challenges in comprehensive reading and writing, because listening comes first. If you improve your listening, it will be supportive for you to accelerate your reading, comprehensive reading and writing also. So let us be hopeful. Your attention please. This is informative text. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. It is less than half as large as the Pacific Ocean and somewhat smaller than the Atlantic. It includes the Red Sea, the oil-rich Persian Gulf, the Arabian Sea, the Andaman Sea, and the Bay of Bengal. The Indian Ocean stretches from Africa on the west to Australia and Indonesia on the east. Asia lies to the north and Antarctica to the south. India and Sri Lanka divide the ocean into the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. The Indian Ocean is important because of many reasons. Its natural resources, petroleum, climate and animal life make it useful in many ways. Oil is produced in the area close to India and the Persian Gulf. The ocean here has a tropical climate which keeps it almost free of icebergs and heavy fog. This makes sailing on these seas safe and enjoyable. There is a great variety of animal life as well. Dolphins and other types of fish find the waters a wonderful home to live in. The Indian Ocean has long been an important trade route for many years. Arab, Chinese and Indian traders sailed the Indian Ocean. The Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama sailed these waters before landing in Goa. The Indian Ocean is not free from pollution. Metals, chemicals, petroleum and sewage waste are polluting this great ocean. The United Nations and other international organizations are trying to find ways to fight the pollution being caused here. Now friends, if you have listened to the text, the Indian Ocean, now try to attempt these language activities. It will help to improve your comprehensive listening skill, accordingly enrich your vocabulary and comprehensive writing skill also. So I read the questions or activities. Activity A, find a word from the passage which means, म्हणजे इथे दिलेल्या शब्दसमूहाला किंवा शब्दाला समान अर्थाचा शब्द हा त्या तुम्ही ऐकलेल्या टेक्स्टमधून शोधायचा आहे. पुन्हा व्हिडिओ तुम्ही सुरू करू शकता. मध्ये मध्ये पॉज करून तुम्ही तो शब्द शोधू शकता. नंबर 1, इनलेट ऑफ द सी. Inlet means the part of the sea which is surrounded by land from 3 sides. समुद्राचा असा भाग जो 3 बाजूंनी जमिनीने वेढलेला असतो. इनलेट ऑफ द सी. सो द पर्टिक्युलर वर्ड one word is used in the text, that means inlet of the sea. Number 2, makes something longer and wider. There is a verb used in the text for this. Number 3, the regular pattern of weather conditions at particular place. One word meaning, it is given in the text. Synonym: surprising or amazing. Then sea navigator. Types: huge mass of ice, separate into parts. Activity B, find describing words, means adjectives, from the passage for ocean, resources, fog, home, and trade route. Activity C, find opposites or antonyms, ज्याला आपण विरुद्धार्थी शब्द म्हणतो, from the text for smallest, useless, unsafe, sorrowful, light. Activity number D, complete. The third largest ocean in the world. Then next, the Indian Ocean includes. Next one, the stretch of the Indian Ocean from west to east. Next question, what does India and Sri Lanka cause to the Indian Ocean? Next question, who finds the waters of the Indian Ocean a wonderful home to live in? The next activity is find the statements whether true or false. The Indian Ocean is pollution free. And next one, the Persian Gulf is enriched with fuel. Last activity is important, it is personal response. What can we do to keep our surrounding pollution free? So I hope you will do all these activities. Do not bother if certain answer goes wrong. So we will have its answers in the description of the video. There will be link of the answer key provided to you tomorrow. Thank you.